Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of disabling sounds in Chrome on your PC. By following these steps, you can prevent websites from playing sound, ensuring a peaceful browsing experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch the Chrome browser on your PC. Step 2. At the top right corner, click on the More button. It is represented by 3 vertical dots. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Go to Privacy and Security in the Settings menu. Step 5. Click on Site Settings. Step 6. Click on Additional Content Settings. Step 7. Look for and click on Sound. Step 8. To disable sounds, click on the option that says Don't allow sites to play sound. By following these simple steps, you can effectively disable sounds in Chrome on your PC. This ensures a quieter browsing experience, without any unexpected audio disruptions. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.